Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have a 9x12 pre-prime black canvas that I was gifted, and some leftover paints, which I'm very interested in putting some more paints into, and probably some red. I didn't do the red earlier. I'm going to take this down, put it someplace that I can actually add more paint to it. Come out. Okay, it's not coming out, and that's embarrassing because you're waiting and seeing nothing. But it's come out now, and I'm going to use some gold in there, some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. Looks like, I don't know where the lint came from, but I guess it's there to stay. So, look like a bunny. Hold that. Maybe somebody brought their dog to work in China. Okay. So I just want paint that'll flow paint. And paint will flow to paint. And I've got enough paint on my spatula so that I can wipe it off right on my edges, run my finger around, and have at least a couple sides covered, if not more. Yes, it's inconvenient right now, but it's done. So, I have Meeden, M-E-E-D-E-N, Meeden paint. And in that Meeden paint, I'm going to place my other paints. I have both black and white. And yes, I need to do things in a strange way. That's okay. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. That's my number 4. I'm going to decide if there's anything else that belongs in there, but I think I'm going to play with it first. I think they call it wrecking. Use my Lolafuse silicone mat to knock off any of the other paint that I've got before I get rid of my shovel. I have an edge catcher. I know I do. It's even kind of ugly. I'm kind of craving some turquoise. I really don't want to do that. I'll figure it out. If I pour it off, I can then pick it up with my spatula and pour it back on again. Ooh, there's a devil face in there. He's sticking his bottom lip out. That's pretty weird. I don't think I like that. So let's do something to annihilate it. I'm not sure how I feel about this yet. It's not doing something for me. I'm still being called to the turquoise and to white. And to blue. Definitely the blue. What will we spread it with? Look, I have chain. I wasn't sure how it would work, and I'm still not sure how it's going to work. Where's the white? The white is going to have to be white metallic. I'm going to use a straw. I'm getting a call to green. That's weird. Okay. I'm not happy yet. Maybe I will just give myself permission to do whatever it takes, since I've got plenty of paint. Although I don't think I see nearly enough purple. I did take a detail from a painting last night, and it was pretty nice. I liked it. And it had things that were very different from... It just looked different, and I liked that about it. This isn't doing that for me yet. That fixes everything for me. That is the neon purple from Folk Art, which will not stay unless I put white with it. So basically I've just told you what's coming next. I might just dump some of that right off. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I think I'm going to swipe. I've got a little card. And a little time. I've definitely got some stuff I'm not thrilled with the color of. So for me, I think I'm going to let it slide right off. Because I think it might be really nice if I do that. It doesn't keep me from wanting to put some black on there. I guess I'll have to clean up my paints and put something nice on my... Oh, that's much better. On my low-leafy silicone mat. Okay, so now's my opportunity. This is my first day playing with the Mead and paint. And I usually like letting things drip and run. And since it's a little thinner than everything else, it ought to do a magnificent job with that. Actually, I'm pretty happy with that now, finally. Let's just leave a few of those things around. Cool. Okay, that was interesting. Do I want to do anything else to it? I actually don't. I say that. Kind of want to see some gold in here and there. Yeah. Not unhappy with that. I'm going to torch really quickly and tell you guys I have over 91,000 subscribers, and if you're not one of them, please subscribe. And if you are one of them, thank you for being here. And if you're new and you're a new subscriber, welcome. We're so happy that you're here. That little bit of green is weird, but it's cool because it works with the gold. I'm going to have to quick like a bunny get up so I can show you guys what this looks like. It's different. Torch to release the bubbles code in the paint and also to release patterns in the paint. More often with Meaden paint than anything else. The Meaden paint is on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under the link tree. My link tree is under the video. Under my link tree you'll find my email address. Should you be interested in purchasing an artwork or reserving or getting information about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, please feel free to contact me. Yes, I'm smoking. I went a little too close, I guess. But I still like it and nothing caught on fire. Thankfully. Oh, that's funny. It happens once in a while. Actually, I haven't caught a painting on fire in years, which is a good thing. But it's time to zoom in for you guys as much as possible. Yeah. There's the whole thing. And there are some cute cells. I wish that was closer. I wish I could zoom in more for you. I don't use a cell phone, I use a Nikon. So I love you guys, and check out my playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. When you go to my channel, there's over 1,800 videos there. Check out my 2 books on the link tree on Amazon. And they are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. There's all kinds of wonderful tools there, and if you shop the Amazon link for anything, you will help contribute to keeping me making videos. Thank you so much for all the contributions that help keep me painting. There is an exhibition video on the end screen of every video, and on that exhibition video you will find, wow, this is getting really awesome. You will find the prizes for next month's drawing, and next month's drawing coincides. It's right before the newest exhibition video comes out at the end of the month. Please like my videos. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing them. Thank you for watching them longer. And thank you for watching when they come out, when the notifications come out. All those things are a great assistance to me. On the link tree, look for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more, to go to pixels.com and find Art America and hit the Shop Now button, or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors, where you can check out the albums that I have edited the artworks of. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I think I'm done for the day. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying, ooh, I'm having so much fun with this paint. Meaden, M-E-E-D-E-N, Meaden paint. I recommend it. I've only got the black and the white, but so far it affects everything. Woo! Sorry for being weird. I'm going to turn out my light since you're still here. And maybe we can see even better. Yeah. All right. Bye for now. Priscilla out.